Next time you visit China, your phone or laptop might get inspected. This is part of Beijing's espionage law. Watch this story for more details.
China is implementing a new law that grants its national security authorities powers to inspect electronic devices on suspicion of espionage. Why? The Ministry of State Security is enforcing the law to work for the enhancement of big data monitoring and analytics to crack down on espionage. Simply put, China wants to crack down on activities that are considered anti-national or harmful to the nation. Under the new law, officials can inspect phones and personal computers by showing a police ID or other identification. They require approval from higher-level national security authorities to do so. China is also increasing anti-espionage awareness in schools. In June, the State Security Ministry sent officials to schools in Beijing, from elementary levels to universities, to give lectures on national security. These talks also covered security risks related to advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence. There is more. The law also requires citizens to report any spying activities they uncover. In fact, China's government is offering a minimum reward of nearly $14,000 for significant contributions to its anti-spy efforts. The new powers are a part of stricter anti-espionage laws that took effect last July. However, the international community is concerned that the law could be used unfairly. Analysts believe authorities might use this law to justify inspecting baggage and electronic devices simply on suspicion of espionage. This move is likely to reshape privacy and security dynamics within the Chinese borders.